Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. I have to talk about Facebook today. This is incredible. This is exactly what we do at StockBookie.com. We go long, we go short. We don't care. We want to find reasons on the chart to take the trade. And here you go. This one, Facebook. Earnings announces, boom, straight down. 90.85, we have a gap fill there, even number. There's one or two other reasons, but anyways, I always talk about gaps. Here it goes down. This is after hours action. Actually, it's live action. It's going right now. Trying to get above the 200 MA. If this thing gets above the 200 in these MAs, then it could be strong. So let's see what happens in the next minute or two. Again, it's in a weak position, but I want to see it close and below this before we start going lower. Let's see if they can recapture the MAs and possibly go back up. They're just shaking it. Guess what? They pushed it up here, and you know what? Another institution came in and dumped in their face. What do you think this is? This is institutional money coming out. This isn't a retail trader. They said, you know what? All these buyers are coming in. We can sell our huge lot of Facebook, and thank you very much. Almost at the all-time highs. Who wouldn't sell up there? Come on. So anyways, let's get back into the trades. We have a gap fill at 90.85. We took this thing long, 300 shares at 90.82. We sold at 93.74. Right here we had resistance, and coming up into the even number, we had resistance with this trend line as well. Boom, took it off, and of course we sell it and keeps going every time. But you know what? Oh well, made money. On to the next one. Coming up the gap fill, even number in this pivot. We went short, 97.26, right on this candle. Made it a little bit higher. Again, if you look higher, those are all lines of resistance. All-time high, I think that's a gap fill, pivot, or that's a gap fill, pivot, or whatever, gap window. Boom, we got areas. So 300 shares short, in and out. We went short at 97.26, this pivot high, and we took it off right here at 94.97, right in this area. When it started coming past the 200 in this, I mean, it came down. You have this inside bar pattern right around 95.14. Right when it pierced that even number of 95, we were out. But again, 300 shares. So 300 shares up, 300 shares down. Again, at StockBookie, we don't care. Long or short, we're done with this trade. And look, this is live. Like I said, if we don't get above these MAs, and this is intraday, it's in a weak position. And again, we covered, and you know what? This thing's going to keep going. But Facebook, I don't know what it's going to do. I think if it does keep going down, we're going to kiss this low. And let's go to the daily. Wow, we got a gap at, yeah, that's the gap right there, 90.84. Oh, that's the other reason. You know, I don't want to hide all my secrets, but again, you had the 200 or the 20 MA on the daily. You had this huge window. So as it was falling, resistance here, resistance there, resistance there. Oh, and at the last one, let's fill the gap. Boom, rocket ship. You know, but then, like I said, we're in and out. So expect a little bit of bounce. And now where are we now? 94.77. Like, oh, that's 90. Yeah, right. We're right in there now. So we're at that little pivot low. So we'll see. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Don't know. Don't care. If it comes back down, we'll be looking for this gap or this gap right here in the 50 MA around 85.90. Woo, that would be a good long. But we'll have to see how it comes into it. All right, people, that's it with Facebook. I was just excited to make a quick video for you guys. I hope this shows you a little bit more of what we do here at StockBookie. Again, long, short, boom, boom. Why take a 50-50 shot when you got an 80% chance that this thing's going to bounce? And if you don't, again, you got some support down here. And if it doesn't, this is where you think about stopping out. Put yourself in a good trade, not in a hope it goes up or hope it goes down trade. Well, there's my phone. Guys, thanks for watching my videos. God bless. See you on the charts.